Practical Guidance is Australia's most established and trusted how-to of legal practice and complements the research part of your subscription. Practical Guidance is a results-oriented workspace that helps you through the completion of tasks. With step-by-step guidance, legislation, cases, checklists, tools, forms, and precedents all in one place, you can work more efficiently and be confident that you're getting things right. Each Practical Guidance module includes tools and resources that are relevant to that practice area, such as comparative tables, calculators, or external information resources. Each module also includes checklists that help you progress a matter. These can be categorized as action point checklists, decision checklists, workflow checklists, or client checklists. You can find all checklists for the practice area in the checklist pod, or you can link out to checklists that are topically relevant from within guidance notes. Practical Guidance brings together resources by topic. You can move through the content under each subheading within a topic as you progress through a matter. Click on a topic heading to review resources, starting with the first subheading within, including an overview of each topic for a foundational approach, guidance notes that dive deeper into the issues and concepts, suggested topical precedents and forms, and key cases that provide judicial consideration of relevant issues. Guidance notes contain a discussion of the key concepts, as well as links out to the primary resources that back up what is being discussed, such as legislation. Guidance notes also include currency information. You will note that this guidance note is maintained. We have a hybrid authorship model, which means that we engage subject matter experts who focus on the practical application of the law. We also have in-house legal writers who have come from practice, who regularly review and update the material that results from any legal changes, such as new legislation being passed. Click through the subheadings menu on the left-hand pane to navigate through the topics and review guidance and resources for each. Guidance notes will also link you out to case law suggested in the topic at the point of discussion, and also topically relevant checklists and tools, and further reading either in supplementary guidance notes or secondary materials within Lexis Advance.